is Chamorro History in a Minute with Fenazzo. Påle Jesus Baza Dueñas was the second ever Chamorro Catholic priest, ordained just a few years before World War II. During the Japanese occupation, Påle Dueñas was outspoken in support of the rights and the dignity of the Chamorro people at a time when silence was the best strategy in the face of Japanese brutality. For this, he was surveilled, threatened, and eventually, in July 1944, arrested. The Japanese accused him of aiding the American holdout George Tweed. Despite several days of beating and torture, Påle Dueñas never revealed the location of Tweed. On July 12th, with Americans bombarding the island in preparation for their reinvasion, Påle Dueñas was executed, along with several others, in Ta'i. A year later, Påle Dueñas' body was exhumed and taken to Inalahan and was reburied in Guimazú, San Jose. In 1948, a Catholic boys' high school was built near the site of his execution and named in his honor.